All right, there's Katie making a bunch of noise, walking behind me. Here's our front door. To the right, we've got staircase upstairs. We'll hit there first, but then we're gonna pan into this room. So this is more of a front room, formal living room. Walking into the dining room in a gross mustard yellow. Ceilings are like, what, 12 foot?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are 12-foot ceilings. From the dining room into the kitchen. So the kitchen has more updated appliances. There's Katie. And Katie's favorite thing, a water dispensing fridge, which is good. Then we see hallway into the front door, coat closet, backyard, entrance out, paved. Oh, Middle Tennessee University, MTSU. Weird. More of a living room with a gas fireplace. Neat. Mount for that. Really tall ceiling. Little alcove over there, which is on the second floor. First floor bathroom. Very, very green. Oh, chunky L. First floor laundry room with like a sink, which Katie's a big fan of. And then a storage area right there. Two-car garage. Wow.
Storage racks up at the top.
Storage racks at the top. Justbats.com over there. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. Dun, 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 dun. Up the stairs. Big wide staircase. It's kind of wild. Okay, when you hit up the stairs, there's like this landing area right here.
A loft space.
Yeah, like a loft space. We're not sure what we're gonna turn into, but there's a lot of natural light, so we really like maybe as like a reading nook area. Let's head over this way first because it's gonna be more relevant to whoever sees this video. Guest bathroom, full bath with a tub, toilet. Then we have small closet, guest room, very green, right here. Big windows. Then we've got second guest room, pretty big closet, big windows. Third guest room, this one might be the office, or we'll see. Pretty big room, really, probably the biggest room.
This one's really nice because it has a surprise walk-in closet.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I just noticed this one's not wired for coax cable, so this one might be the worst one in terms of connection. Not a big deal. What either is that?
Master.
Interesting. Yeah, we're gonna go to the master. Don't worry. This is the master bedroom.
It's enormous.
So big vaulted ceiling, fan, really big like walk-in closet, master bath. Oh, gotta fix that light switch with a double vanity and toilet and shower. Let's see. Shut that off.
You can hear all the time with the lights on.
Yep. Lights on. Big walk-in closet. Really big.
And now we'll bring you to the basement. Come on along.
That's a weirdo.
Welcome to our basement. Come on down. Huge
Okay.
basement.
It's a very large basement. Very, very large. Some utility closets, water pump stuff. A floating shelf. This is furnace room, crawl space underneath the house. But, you know, storage. And that's really about it.